Imagine this: you quit your job, invest your savings, and launch your dream business. 6 months later, you're staring at empty bank accounts and a failed startup. Sound familiar? Here's the shocking truth: 90% of Indian startups fail within the first 5 years. But here's what the successful 10% know that you don't. By the end of this video, you'll discover the 6 most critical secrets that separate successful entrepreneurs from those who become just another failure statistic. These aren't theories. These are battlefield tested insights that could save you lakhs of rupees and years of heartbreak. Let me hit you with some brutal facts that will change how you think about starting a business. Maharashtra alone saw 929 startup closures in 2024. That's nearly 3 businesses dying every single day. And here's the kicker: 42% of startups fail because they don't understand market demand. They build products nobody wants to buy. But wait, there's more. The good news? You're about to learn the exact 6 things that the successful 10% do differently. Let's dive in. Secret number 1: market research is your oxygen. The brutal truth: most entrepreneurs fall in love with their solution before validating the problem. Take the example of Stayzilla. Remember them? They had a brilliant homestay platform, but they expanded aggressively without understanding if people actually wanted homestays over hotels. Result? They shut down in 2016 after burning through crores. Here's your action plan: the 5-step market research formula. Talk to 50 potential customers. Not your friends and family, real customers. Study your top 3 competitors. What are they doing right and wrong? Join industry forums and groups, Facebook groups, Reddit, LinkedIn communities. Analyze competitor reviews on Google and social media. The negative reviews are gold mines. Create surveys using Google Forms. Ask specific questions about pain points. Pro tip: don't ask, "Would you buy this?" Instead ask, "How do you currently solve this problem?" The second question reveals real behavior, not just polite responses. Secret number 2: your business plan is your GPS. Here's what shocked me: 45% of new businesses fail in their first 5 years because they lack a proper business plan. Think of your business plan like Google Maps for a road trip. Would you drive from Delhi to Mumbai without knowing the route, fuel stops, and estimated time? Of course not. Yet most entrepreneurs start businesses without a roadmap. The 7-component business plan framework. Executive summary: your business in 2 paragraphs. Market analysis: who are your customers and how big is the market? Competitive analysis: who are you fighting against? Product service description: what exactly are you selling? Marketing strategy: how will customers find you? Financial projections: where's the money coming from and going? Risk assessment: what could go wrong and how will you handle it? Flipkart's founders created a detailed business plan that identified cash on delivery as crucial for Indian customers. This single insight, documented in their plan, became their biggest competitive advantage. Your action step: don't write a 50-page document that nobody reads. Create a 10-page actionable plan that you can refer to monthly and update quarterly. Secret number 3: legal compliance, your safety net. Many startups shut down not because of poor sales but because of legal troubles they could have easily avoided. The legal compliance checklist. Every entrepreneur needs business registration, must do in first month. Choose your business structure: private limited, LLP, or partnership. Do in director identification number. Takes 1 to 2 days. Digital signature certificate required for all online filings. Name approval through MCA portal. Check if available. GST registration mandatory if turnover exceeds 40 lakh rupees. Licenses and permits. Shops and establishment license for physical locations. Trade license from local municipal corporation. FSSAI license if dealing with food products. Professional tax registration, state specific requirement. A Bengaluru food startup faced 5 lakh rupees in penalties because they started operations without FSSAI registration. The fine was more than their first quarter revenue. Pro tip: use platforms to handle registrations. I can't name platforms, but you can research. It will cost 15,000 to 20,000 rupees, but saves months of running around government offices. Secret number 4: build your founding team like your life depends on it. The team building framework: choose co-founders, like choosing a spouse, complementary skills. If you're a tech person, get a business person, shared vision. You should agree on the big picture. Work style compatibility: are they morning people or night owls? Financial transparency: discuss money expectations up front. Equity: split clarity, document everything in writing. Real disaster story: Housing.com had massive internal conflicts between founders that led to the CEO being removed by the board. The company never recovered from the internal turmoil. The 4-person dream team structure: CEO/visionary, the face and strategy person, chief technology officer/technical lead, builds the product. Business development head gets customers and partnerships. Operations/finance head manages money and processes. Red flags to avoid: partners who can't make quick decisions, people who avoid difficult conversations, those who don't put in equal effort during the early days, co-founders who don't believe in the product themselves. Secret number 5: cash flow management, your business lifeline. Here's the difference. You can be profitable on paper but still go bankrupt if you don't have cash in the bank when rent is due. The 30-50 rule for financial planning: increase estimated expenses by 30%, reduce estimated revenue by 50%. Plan for at least 6 months of operations with this calculation. Daily cash flow habits: track every rupee. Use apps like Zoho Books or simple Excel sheets. Separate personal and business accounts, never mix them. Invoice immediately, send bills the same day work is completed. Follow up on payments. Call customers on the due date +1. Keep 3-month emergency fund for unexpected expenses. Secret number 6: product market fit, the make or break moment. The ultimate truth: 42% of startups fail because they build products nobody wants. What is product market fit? It's when customers start selling your product for you. They can't stop talking about it, they refer friends, and they get genuinely upset if your service goes down. The product market fit testing framework. Step 1: create your MVP, minimum viable product. Build the simplest version that solves the core problem. Example: Amazon started by selling just books, not everything. Step 2: the Sean Ellis test. Ask customers, how would you feel if you could no longer use our product? 40% plus say very disappointed equals you have product market fit. Less than 40% equals back to the drawing board. Step 3: monitor these metrics. Monthly recurring revenue growth should be 15 to 20% monthly customer retention rate. 80% plus customers should come back. Net promoter score: customers willing to recommend you. Success story: Paytm achieved product market fit when demonetization happened. Suddenly everyone needed digital payments. Their product perfectly matched market demand at the right time. Warning: signs: you don't have product market fit. You're constantly explaining why people need your product. Customers use your product once and never return. You're competing purely on price. Sales cycles are getting longer, not shorter. The implementation framework: your 90-day action plan. Month 1: foundation. Week 1 to 2: market research and competitor analysis. Week 3: business plan creation. Week 4: legal registrations and compliance. Month 2: team and product. Week 1 to 2: founding team finalization. Week 3 to 4: MVP development start. Month 3: testing and refinement. Week 1 to 2: MVP testing with real customers. Week 3 to 4: product market fit validation. And here's the success: Checklist. Talk to 50 plus potential customers. 10-page business plan completed. All legal registrations done. 6-month cash flow plan ready. Founding team contract signed. MVP tested with 20 plus users. Here's the bottom line. Starting a business isn't about having the best idea. It's about executing the 6 fundamentals better than everyone else. Remember the 90% failure rate I mentioned at the beginning? Most of those failures could have been prevented by following what you just learned. The entrepreneurs who succeed aren't necessarily smarter, they're just more disciplined about the basics. Now, 90% of people watching this video won't take action. They'll watch, feel motivated, and then do nothing. While 90% are procrastinating, you can be in the 10% who actually execute. The Indian startup ecosystem is exploding. We have over 100 unicorns and counting. Your business could be next. What's your move? Drop a comment telling me which of these 6 points surprised you the most. And if this video saved you from making expensive mistakes, smash that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense business content. Remember, in 2025, the winners won't be those with the most funding or the flashiest ideas. They'll be the ones who master these fundamentals and execute relentlessly. Your entrepreneurial journey starts now. Make it count. Voice with Vivek, signing off.